What if your next meal could be your best blood pressure medication? Spoiler alert. Today we're exposing 5 explosive foods that slash hypertension, relax your arteries, and come loaded with vitamins your heart craves. Oh, and food number 4 works faster than some pills, backed by Harvard research. Ready to silence the silent killer? Let's feast. First on our list is beets, the bloody red root your arteries beg for. A vibrant root vegetable rich in nitrates. Studies, including one published in the Journal of Nutrition, have demonstrated that the consumption of beet juice can lower systolic blood pressure by an astounding 8-10 mmHg in 4 weeks. This reduction occurs due to the body's conversion of nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates blood vessels and subsequently improves blood flow. To incorporate beets into your diet, try roasting them or adding beet juice to your smoothies. Next up, garlic, the Allicin Avenger, the stinky bulb that's a hypertension hero, which contains allicin that relaxes blood vessels by boosting hydrogen sulfide production. It's loaded with vitamin B6, manganese, and selenium. A 2020 Journal of Clinical Hypertension study found aged garlic extract lowers BP by 16 mmHg. Crush fresh garlic into dressings, roast with veggies, or take aged garlic supplements. Another incredible contender is spinach. But wait, these greens are the ultimate artery uncloggers. It contains potassium and magnesium, essential minerals known for their blood pressure-lowering properties. Research published in the journal Hypertension found that individuals with higher potassium intake experienced lower blood pressure levels. A Journal of Nutrition study showed 4+ serving per week reduces hypertension risk by 27%. Adding spinach to your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries can easily help increase your intake of these key nutrients. Now let's talk about nature's candy that fights like a soldier. Berries, particularly blueberries, which are teeming with antioxidants known as flavonoids. A comprehensive study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that participants who consumed high amounts of these berries experienced a notable decrease in blood pressure levels. Another study in Harvard School of Public Health linked 1 cup per day to 10% lower hypertension risk. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to hypertension. Enjoy berries in breakfast bowls, desserts, or simply as a snack to reap their benefits. Lastly, the swimmer that murders hypertension. Let's discuss fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. A study from the American Heart Association highlighted that omega-3s can reduce blood pressure and excess blood clotting. Including fatty fish in your diet just 2 to 3 times weekly can yield substantial cardiovascular benefits. All right, there you have it. Which of these blood pressure crushers are you adding to your plate first? Drop a comment below. And if you're ready to ditch meds for good, hit subscribe and smash that bell. Your heart deserves this revolution. Stay fierce, stay proactive, stay healthy. And you can watch more of our videos somewhere here